hugis bigas without surgery?
Hey guys! So finally here at White Essential Brutal Lounge. And I'm so excited kasi I'm finally getting my hypo facelift. Because my cheeks have always been my insecurity. They started cleansing my face to remove makeup, oil, and impurities. Anyway, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang hypo po ay for lifting and tightening. Hugis bigas kung tawagin. After ma-cleanse ng face ko, nilagay na nila yung ultrasound gel. After gelling, start na ng treatment. This is not painless guys, unless naka-anesthesia ka. But the pain is tolerable. And don't worry, from time to time naman, nagtatanong yung staff kung kaya pa. Unless hindi na kaya, ilo-lower daw nila yung ultrasound beam. In my case, nasa 1.85% energy level lang ako. After hypo, dito na tayo sa RF. Fat reduction din to. Don't worry, hindi siya masakit. Relax na lang tayo dito. And just like that, hugis bigas face screaming! Initial improvement pa lang yan. The final result will be visible after 2 to 3 months. See you on my next glow up journey. Bye!